Question 5 is the exact same question, except that the math is going to be a little bit different. So again, I've got KSP of magnesium fluoride here, so fine. So what have I got? I've got MgF2, that's a solid, and that's going to be in equilibrium with a aqueous Mg plus 2, and then 2 F negatives over here. And so KSP is going to be equal to the magnesium times the fluoride squared. I got an I, I got a C, and I got an E. We really don't care about that because it's a solid. And it didn't say anything about starting with any of those guys, so that's fine. It's clearly not at equilibrium, so it's got to go over here to the right. How much? I don't know. That's X, but again, we kind of don't care about it because it's a solid, but it does have to happen. And if that's the case, please remember that this is a 1:1:2 ratio. So consequently, this is going to be a plus X and a plus 2X to give me X and 2X. I now have my equilibrium values, which is saturated, which is the same thing that's up here. And so 4 times 10 to the negative 8th, which is the number they gave me, is going to be equal to X times 2X quantity squared. Please again note that 2X quantity squared is different than 2X squared. They are not the same thing. It is 2X quantity squared. So it's going to be 4 times 10 to the negative 8th is equal to 4x cubed. Plug everything in. And so what do you end up with? 4 times 10 to the negative 8th divided by 4, and then raised to the 1/3 power. Gets me about 0.00215. So X is 0.00215 molarity. Now again, let's be careful. 99% of the time, once we solve for X, we are done with the problem, right? But we are not, in this particular case, done with the problem here. Why? Because X is not necessarily what we're looking for. What is it that we are looking for? We are looking for the concentration of the F negative. Is the concentration of the F negative X? No, it's not. It's 2X. So it's not 00215. It's actually twice that. So the correct answer is actually 00430, because X is 00215. 2X is 00430. So just make sure that you are aware of what you are looking for in the problem. In so many of these things, X is not necessarily